Hi guys, a pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare this delicious chicken sandwich. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I'll be using some chicken thighs and thinly sliced chicken breast. I also have some pickle juice, the juice that was left in the pickle jar. I'll be using that. I have some black pepper, salt, chicken bouillon, sazon, paprika, garlic and onion powder. So basically what I did was just combine the seasoning with the pickle juice, mix until well combined, and then I added it to my chicken. Make sure that the chicken was nicely coated and well submerged in the liquid, and then I covered and allow it to marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have time and you can let it go overnight, go right ahead and do so. Now let's prepare the dredge or the breading using flour, cornstarch, and all the seasonings I used to marinate the chicken. You want to combine everything real well and set aside. Next, I'll be preparing a salad to top my chicken sandwich. Here I call this the super greens. It's some cabbage, carrots, and kale. These will hold up nicely because they're firm in texture, so I prefer to use this than using lettuce. So here I have some banana pepper, some red wine vinegar. I'll be using a little bit of sugar, complete seasoning, red pepper flakes. I have some mayonnaise, Italian dressing, and some ranch dressing. Basically, you want to combine all of the condiments. Then we will add the seasoning and the sugar and a little bit of that red wine vinegar. You want to mix the combine, and this will be used as our, dressing for our salad. Once the dressing is ready, you want to combine it with the greens, give it a real good toss, cover, and place this in the fridge until we are ready for it later. I forgot to mention that I used a half of a sweet yellow onion here as well. So it has the greens and onions. Now let's make a sauce to butter our buns. One thing I hate is a dry chicken sandwich. So we'll go in with some mayo, a little bit of sweet relish. We will add some sriracha hot sauce, a little ketchup, and some mustard. Give that a real good mix, and that's it. Now let's create a batter. So we will use half a cup of the same dredge mixture that I made earlier, and we will add some water to that. This we will use to dip the chicken in, just to create that moisture to give us that nice crispiness. So once that is mixed real well, we'll go ahead and just start coating our chicken inside of the flour first. Then we will add it into the batter, then back into the flour, and we will shake off the excess and set aside. Carry on with the same process until you're all done. Now I did drain the marinade off. So yeah, this is what we have. Like I said, once you are done, just allow this to sit for about 15 minutes while we heat the oil, and then we'll start the frying process. Now into my preheated oil. I did preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will fry up the chicken thighs first. Now these will not take a long time, about 5 to 8 minutes max, because you do not want to overcook them. It will just dry it out and you will have, dry chicken instead of juicy chicken. So after about 6 minutes, I removed mine because they were fully cooked, and then I proceed to fry my chicken breast. These were fried up in about 5 minutes, and yeah, we can get ready to assemble our chicken sandwich. So today I'll be using some Mexican Tolero rolls. I find that this holds up pretty well in a sandwich. So that's what I'll be using along with some pepper jack cheese. But feel free to use whichever buns and cheese you prefer. So here I went ahead and toast my buns, and I'll go ahead and butter them on both sides. Use as much or as little as you like. So after my chicken was done, I placed my cheese on top of the hot chicken so it can melt a little bit. I don't want it completely melted. And I added it to the bun, and then I went in with my salad right over top. And that's it, guys. Super simple and easy, but let me tell you, this was nothing short of amazing. The sandwich was so delicious, moist, flavorful, and everything you would want in a chicken sandwich. Look at this. Perfect, perfect. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy